In this video, we will discussing about the rest of the 25 questions of UGC NET Education June 2013. Let's start the video. The question number 25. Who is regarded as the father of sociology? What will be the right answer? Option A, Auguste Comte. Option B, Maclever. Option C, Robert Piney. Option D, Talcott Parson. Among the following option, the right answer will be option A, that is Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte is regarded as the father of sociology. This is very much important questions. This question is repeated many times in UGC NET education. Let's see the next question, that is question number 26. Which one does indicate a healthy atmosphere for the social functioning of the class or school? Option A, democracy as a compromise between laissez-faire and autocracy. Option B, democracy as a compromise between persuasion and permission. Option C, laissez-faire, and option D, democracy. So among the following option, what will be the right answer? The right answer will be option B, democracy as a compromise between persuasion and permission. Let's see the next question, that is question number 27. The proposition about research that you do not agree is: option A, research improves the quality of teaching. Option B, research leads to finding solutions to too many problems. Option C, research is only a personal achievement. Option D, research contributes to social progress of the society. So among the following option, what will be the right answer? The right answer will be option C, research is only a personal achievement. So this is the right answer among these following four options. The question is asked not agree. Research of course improve the quality of teaching, and research leads to finding solution to too many problems, and also research contribute to social progress of the society. But we can't say research is a personal achievement. Let's see question number 28. Which of the following is a non-parametric test? Option A, analysis of covariance. Option B, analysis of variance. Option C, median test. And the last option, critical ratio. Among these following four options, what will be the right answer? Here, the right answer will be option C, that is median test is a non-parametric test. Very good questions. So always remember, median test is a non-parametric test. Question number 29. Which of the following statements is true for a reliability and validity of a measuring instrument? Option A, a reliable test is also valid. Option B, validity does not ensure reliability. Option C, validity and reliability are not related. Option D, valid test must be reliable. And the right answer will be yes, option D, that is valid test must be reliable. So this statement is true for reliability and validity of measuring instrument. Let's see the question number 30. According to behaviorist school of psychology, the teacher is option A, storehouse of knowledge, option B, a leader in the classroom, option C, supervisor of children's learning activities, and the last option, creator of appropriate learning conditions. So, among these following four options, what will be the right answer? The right answer is option D, creator of appropriate learning conditions. Question number 31. Who has given the theory of social learning? Option A, Thorndike. Option B, Spearman. Option C, Albert Bandura. And option D, Watson. So, among these four options, what will be the right answer? Among these following four options, the right answer is Albert Bandura. That is option number C. Question number 32. Law of exercise enables students to option A, diligence, option B, intelligence, option C, insight, option D, problem solving. And the right answer is option D, that is problem solving. Question number 33. Which of the following students need their teacher's attention? Option A, introvert. Option B, slow learners. Option C, gifted. Option D, all of these. And the right answer is option D, that is all of these. Question number 34. Which one of the following conditions qualifies to be an instance of negative reinforcement? Option A, giving a punishment. Option B, withholding a reward. Option C, withdrawing a painful stimulus. Option D, excessive rewarding. So, among these following four options, what will be the right answer? And the right answer is option C, withdrawing a painful stimulus. Question number 35. A child who uses a wheelchair, option A, should not be in the regular school. Option B, should study only in a special school. Option C, should be given education with a non-disabled students in a regular school. Option D, should be given education in a regular school in a lower class. So the right answer is option C, should be given education through non-disabled students in a regular school. Question number 36. School is a community in miniature, a micro society. What do the terms community and society signify in the context? 1. Community signifies freedom. 2. Community signifies equal treatment to all. 3. Society signifies equality of educational and job opportunities. 4. Society signifies control. Choose the correct answer from the given codes. Option A, 3 and 2. Option B, 3 and 1. Option C, 3 and 4. Option D, 1 and 4. A right answer is option D, that is 1 and 4. Community signifies freedom and society signifies control. Question number 37. Individual differences are given the least importance in option A, idealism, option B, realism, option C, naturalism, option D, pragmatism. What will be the right answer? The right answer is option A, idealism. In idealism, individual differences are given the least importance. Question number 38. What is the basic criterion for social class? Option A, occupation. Option B, status. Option C, religion. And option D, locale of a residence. So the right answer is option B, status. Question number 39. On the basis of an achievement test, the teacher rated Ram, Sam, and Dhyan as a first, second, and third respectively. This is an example of option A, ratio scale, option B, ordinal scale, option C, internal scale, option D, nominal scale. And the right answer is option B, that is ordinal scale. Question number 40. If the 10th grade students find science test to be very easy and majority of them scored high marks, the resulting description would be option A, normal, option B, mesocortic, option C, skewed to the left, and option D, skewed to the right. And the right answer is skewed to the right. That is, option D is the right answer here. Question number 41. Give me the baby and I will make it as you desire was the diction pronounced by option A, Guthrie, option B, Pavlov, option C, Skinner, option D, Watson. And the right answer is option D, that is Watson. Question number 42. The term behaviorism was first given by option A, David Ashubel, option B, J.B. Watson, option C, E.L. Thorndike, and option D, P.F. Skinner. What will be the right answer? Option B, J.B. Watson. Question number 43. Thorndike's theory is also known as option A, connexionism, option B, associationism, option C, cognitivism, option D, socialism. Answer option A, connexionism. It is a very direct question. Question number 44. In introspection method, observation is done by option A, others, option B, animals, option C, self, and the option D, theirs. Again, very direct question. The right answer is option C, that is self. Question number 45. In which one of the methods the existing knowledge is used to draw conclusions? Option A, inductive reasoning method, option B, deductive reasoning method, option C, survey method, option D, positivistic method. Among the following option, the right answer is option B, that is deductive reasoning method. Next question, that is question number 46. Pavlov and Skinner belongs to option A, structuralism, option B, functionalism, option C, behaviorism, option D, gestalt psychology. And the right answer is option C, that is behaviorism. Question number 47. Which of the following is an agent of positive social change? Option A, power, option B, education, option C, money, option D, calamity. Very easy question. Of course, it is education. Option B. Question number 48. Why is Sarda Act important in the Indian context? Option A, it recommends free education for all children up to the age of 14. Option B, it recommends supply of study material to the girl free of cost. Option C, it prohibits child marriage of girls. Option D, it prohibits child labor. Right answer is option C. It prohibits child marriage of girls. Question number 49. How is the term culture defined? The right answer is option A, as a complex whole which includes virtually everything acquired by man being a member of the society. This is the last question of today's video, question number 50. A student has scored 80 marks in a test of psychology and 60 marks in statistics. This score can be compared by converting them into option A, percentages, option B, categories, option C, standard scores, option D, rank differences. And the right answer is standard scores. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe the channel. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned.